Good evening, everyone. I'm going to create some kind of a tutorial for making a simple icon. In this canvas, I already have an artboard, measure 100 pixel square, and this icon is some sample icon that I already made. I'm trying to replicate my own icon here for the tutorials. So, okay. Before I start drawing an icon, normally I create some kind of guideline to help me to make a set of icons to be consistent one to another. The first thing, I draw a 95 square like this, but using a thin line, quarter thin line. Put it in center, and then I duplicate it, change it to 85, keep in center, and then I make another one. Since the artboard is 100 pixel square, I make it a half square now, like this. Put in center, and then I duplicate it, put it down like this, duplicate it, change the directions, this, put center, and then I duplicate it like this. Here is the square guidelines. Before we started, also normally draw a circle guideline in case I make some kind of icon using quite many circles to be more consistent in the perspective of our eyes. And then the 50, put in center, and then duplicate it on the left, duplicate it for the right. And then another one. Another one. 95 to 95, center, 85, and then there's it. This is our guidelines drawing a icon. Then I group it, change the opacity to 20, and then I lock the layers, make another layer. So this layer is a guidelines. I lock it. When I finish drawing any icons, I usually just erase this grid guidelines. So basically, the 85 square is the maximum icon width or height, especially if it's a circle shape of icon. Sorry, I forgot one more thing. Here, I put it 85. Like this. Yep. Yeah, like this. So the 8 and 90 square is the maximum lines that I can cross for the icon that I draw, especially for a circle shape icon. So the 85 is the maximum shape of icon for any square shape. Okay, so let's start it. First, I want to draw this part. Sorry if my English is not really good. I'm not a native in English. Anyway, so like this. As I mentioned before, I'll make it a little bolder. Yep. As I mentioned before, this is the maximum line that I can use for drawing any square shape icon. So here I make it the width 20. The shape should be 60, I think. It should be proportional. We'll try it this way. Looks fine. And then I duplicate another one. This time make it a little bit thinner. Oh no, 16. Great. And like this. Yep. I made these icons quite long ago, so I'm not quite remember the details, but still get the idea how to draw this. Okay, this one is 50. 50. Whoa, sorry. I mean 50. Yep. I combine this draw, combine the shape, the circle, and the square. The square. What's the English? Square, I think, to make the shape, the inside shape, like this. Okay, combine. Voila, got one. Forgot. I want this to be like this. Then I combine. Boom. So let's make the bubbles inside. I think is 6 to 6. Too small. 8. Okay. Right, 6. That's great. And then I crop it using these tools. Crop the half circles. Delete. Voila. Yeah. Nice start. And then I get the edge to be rounded like this. It's actually very simple icon. Kind of like it to draw some kind of more complex icons. Make this down. Great. Now to make the colors blue, I make this part to be grouped first. This group, and then I duplicate it. The first duplicate I erase, and then I make the blue colors. Oops, I'm sorry, copying the color of this. There, get it? And then I'm using the crop. Another. Oops, inside here and here. So I delete all the blue. That's not needed. Yep, this. Voila. Yep, the first one. It's nice, although it's kind of big. The neck is quite big. Oops. The neck is too tall, like this. Seems okay. So we got the first part, the two part. Now we got the last part. The last part is supposed not to be that challenging, much more simple. So we're using to make more consistent, I'm using this weight, the same weight. So 20, 40, yeah. So consistent, right? And I put this here. Yeah. Definitely too tall. Definitely too tall. Yep. Sorry. Turn off the proportions. Nice. You see, I'm using this line as my guidelines. So I put the tube over here and the lashes over here on the right side. Wait, 10, 5, and 30, I think. Too short, too tall. 5 zoom it a little bit. Combine it. Nice. Since this is a very simple shape, so I do not using the crop, just fill. Using the fill. Necessarily need to do cropping. It's very simple. Oop. Oh, sorry. Fill like this, and then just make what is this? Like this. Simple. Then duplicate. If you can use duplicate, so you don't have to measure each distance within these lines, just Ctrl D. It will follow the rest. And then Ctrl D, change 45 degree. Here. This, sorry. Control P, -45. Control P, 90 degree. You can cut the lines also using the slice tools, and then voila, it is done. Just group it, and then after I finish this, delete the guidelines. Yep, and it's done. Thank you for watching.